looks like he's back. Oh, this is so exciting. And he even brought us a cutie tooties surprise Poopsie. And look, here's the packaging. Let's open it up together and comment down below what slime you think might be inside here. Okay. So first off, I have to say it's hard. Oh, look at the golden magic. The glittery blue golden magic. Okay, let's open it up together. Okay. Biggie probably wants me to go like this and go snip, snip. Snip. No, Biggie, I want to save the slime so we can play with it together and save it for later. Oh, Biggie, you never know what he's thinking, do ya? Nope, you don't. At least I don't. Okay. Okay, let's see what slime's in here. Oh, it's just... There's no slime. Oh no. There has to be slime in here. There just has to be. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's the toy and here's the slime. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I can't believe it. Wow. It's beautiful pink slime. And it's really, really tricky to get out of here. Let's take a look at it closer. Oh, do you see that? There's magical glitter hearts in it. And there's glitter all throughout. Well, if you guessed bouncy slime, you obviously guessed right. Woo, that is so neat. Uh-oh. Oh, woo, I was getting worried he wasn't gonna go back to normal. Okay, so now in the comments below, comment which one you think might be inside. I'll give you a hint. This is what it looks like. Okay. Wow, they're all so amazing. Oh, Frostbite, she's so cute. Okay, here it goes. Let's open it up. Oh, ooh, white and sparkly. Wow, look how beautiful. She has little glitters and more glitters. And look at those eyes and those eyelashes. And look at the little paws. So adorable. Oh my, I just can't contain myself. Okay, let's see which one it is. It's actually Frostbite. That's the one I said her name. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see, so she is purple. Oh, I can't believe it. Purple is ultra rare. She's ultra rare. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel to become a member of the Sprella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching. And I love my elves on the shelf.